Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to lock your apps on iPhone. And this is very simple, but first of all you need to download the Shortcuts app because we need this app to lock our apps on iPhone. Alright, once you did that, please open the Shortcut apps and from here click right in the top on the plus icon and search here for the lock screen option. Then click on that and then please do done. From here we go to automation and right here we click on new automation and then search for app. Then click on app, then choose the app that we want to lock. Now for me it's Clash Royale, so click on that app. We can also do Clash Royale, you can do as many apps if you want, but for now one app is great, for example. So we do done. And then it's important to click on run immediately, that is important, and that you choose is opened for the app. Then we do next. And then from here we click on my shortcuts and then click on lock screen. And right now we just created a lock screen when we open Clash Royale. So right now if I go back and click on Clash Royale, he will lock my phone. Alright. This is how it works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.